Snake River at Pine Brook. When? Until tomorrow morning. Impacts at 19.0 feet. Street flooding begins in Fairfield, including Champlain Road. Two Bridges Road is closed going into Lincoln Parkway. Details at 7:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 18.95 feet and rising. Forecast: the river is expected to rise to a crest of 19.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 19.0 feet on June 15, 2003. Here is the